I'm going to show you how to connect to Google Analytics 4 within Slingshot to use in your dashboards. So if you come up here to My Analytics, and then you click on the Data Source tab, we're going to come here to add a data source. And then we're going to click Google Analytics 4. So you're just prompted here now to log in with your Google account. Of course, I will go through your two-step verification, which everybody should also have turned on their account. I will click Next. And basically all you have to do is allow Slingshot to read your GA4 data. So I'll click Allow. And now I'm pushed back to Slingshot, where you can see that it pulls in your Google Analytics accounts, where you can come into an account, and then you can also see your different properties, and then you can select what property you want to add. I can add this, and this is a staging site for me, so I'm just going to make sure that I denote this. I can give this a description, and then I just click Add Data Source. And just like that, you now have Google Analytics 4 within Slingshot that you can create robust visualizations with.